that is mensuration. We will start. So mensuration, actually normally there are two parts. One is area and another is volume. Area means if it is a two-dimensional figure like rectangle, your trapezium, that is related to area. But if it is a three-dimensional figure like your cylinder, cone, all this comes under volume. So first what we will do, we will first revisit the formulas, because mensuration rate formula is very important. If you are clear with formula, then the solving question is not a difficult task. Only solving kala bele kiछि calculation intensive रहता है, otherwise there is no other issue. Okay. So mensuration, first let us see the two-dimensional figure, area. Let's say first area of a triangle. Triangle area normally हमें कौन जानचो? Suppose this is the triangle and this is the height. So half into base into height. This is we know commonly. Okay. और आउ कौन किसी formula अच्छी की like Heron's formula, root over s into s minus a into s minus b s minus c. So what is a? A is the sides, a b c, small a, small b and small c are the sides. So s is what? S is semi perimeter. It is a plus b plus c by 2. Semi perimeter means half of the perimeter. So if all the sides are given, then you can find out base and height, then also you can find out. Now there are specific triangle like your equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle कौन है? All three sides are equal. Side is a. So area of formula कौन? Area is root 3 by 4 a square. Similarly, हमारा height जो अच्छी height is root 3 by 2 a. These two things you should know for equilateral triangle. This is a specific triangle. So general formula use ना करके specific formula you can use to get it very quickly the answers. Okay. So triangle part is over. Now let us come to rectangles. अच्छा trapezium. First is trapezium. What is a trapezium? Trapezium means two opposite sides are parallel and two other sides are non-parallel side. Okay. Trapezium ro area कौन? Half into sum of two parallel sides multiplied with distance between two parallel sides. Okay, so for this trapezium, suppose I am name A, B, C, D. Let if AD equal to let's say P and this is Q, and the distance between these two parallel lines, let's say H. So it can formula is half into P plus Q multiplied with H. This is the area of trapezium. Next, parallelogram. Parallelogram, two opposite sides are parallel and equal like this. This is a parallelogram. Two opposite sides are parallel and equal. So for parallelogram, what is the area? Area is base multiplied with height. So if you are taking this as the base, so your corresponding height could have your corresponding height is this. So this will be if I name A, B, C, D, E, then it will be BC multiplied with AE. This is the height of the area of the parallelogram. Rectangle. Rectangle very easy. You can say area is length into breadth and perimeter is twice of length breadth. Square. Square area, there are two formulas. One is area is side square. Also area is half into diagonal square. Both the things are okay. Area is equal to side square and also half into diagonal square. Perimeter, you know, this is 4 into sides. Okay. Then come to circle. Acha, before that rhombus. Let us discuss about rhombus. What is a rhombus? Rhombus is all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Rhombus property kana, all the sides are equal and the diagonals, they are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. This is the rhombus property. Okay. Rhombus area कौन होगा? Half into d1 into d2. d1 d2 कौन? d1 and d2 are the diagonals. Okay. And perimeter, you know, all the sides are equal for rhombus, so perimeter is 4 into sides. This is for rhombus. Next, I think we have covered everything. Next, let us come to circle. Circle रे कौन तुम्हारा normal circle you can plot. Okay, if radius is r, perimeter is 2 pi r and area equal to pi r square. But sector रहला, sector like this. माने circle रो some part like this, है ना? If this is your circle, तार गोटे part को कहते sector. This is called like तमरो pizza रो गोटे portion नोचो, that is sector. So this angle is sector angle. Let's say theta is sector angle, है ना? तो first होची area of sector and radius is given, let's say r. Okay, area of sector. This is what? Theta divided by 360 multiplied with pi r square. Theta jaha achi maybe 30 degree, 60 degree, whatever they have given, divided by 360 multiplied with pi r square. Then length of the arc. Length of the arc माने 8% है. ये जो chord ये arc रो length कहते हैं L. So this L equals to theta by 360 multiplied with 2 pi r. ठीक है? तापर यार अलग कौन अच्छी? Let's say length of the area of the segment. Area of segment माने को person? This person. This person is called area of segment. Area of segment कौन होगा? Area of sector minus area of the ये जो triangle अच्छी. Let me name it O A D. Area of triangle. Area of sector हमें बाहर करते हैं theta by 360 pi r square minus area of triangle कौन है? अच्छा triangle ला गोटे area you just remember आमे से तेरे cover करने थे A B C है ना? Okay. Area is एला third formula for area. वो first formula में कौन कहले half into base into height. Second formula कहले Heron's formula square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. And this is the third formula. Half अच्छा ये small a small b small c. Half a b sin c. और आपको हम इनके लिख पड़े half b c sin a. ये small b small c small a are the sides. Capital these are angles. Half small a ca sin b. एथिरु कोटा भी हमें यूज करि परिबा टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया. ओके सो फॉर दिस केस ये जो ट्रायंगल अछि एटा कोन करबा हाफ इनटू ओए इनटू ओबी इनटू sin थीटा. सो दैट इज हाफ ओए केते थला ओ इज r ओबी आल्सो r एंड sin थीटा. एटा होची फार्मूला फॉर एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट. Area of segment, circle, sector, then all the details about the sector. Now let us come to the three-dimensional figures. Two-dimensional almost we have covered. Aao kichhi nahi. Let's say first which is our cuboid. Cuboid kaun? Cuboid is something like this. मैंने तुम्हारा मैचस्टिक जो बॉक्स था लाइक दैट इज क्यूबॉइड. ओके क्यूबॉइड रे कौन था तुम्हारा लेंथ था एंड ब्रेड्थ था एंड हाइट था. सो फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला कौन है तुम्हारा वॉल्यूम. वॉल्यूम इज LBH. नेक्स्ट इज सरफेस एरिया. सरफेस एरिया मींस क्यूबॉइड रो फेस केतरा अछि. क्यूबॉइड रो फेस फ्रंट रे बैक रे top bottom and sides. So total 6 faces. So surface area is area sum of area of all these 6 faces. So you can write twice of LB plus BH plus HL. All the surfaces of a cuboid are rectangle only. Okay. Next is cube. Cube का मतलब when your L equals to B equals to H. Side of cube. आओ किछ नहीं. तो वॉल्यूम कौन होगा साइड ऑफ क्यूब द होल क्यूब. एंड व्हाट इज द सरफेस एरिया 6 into साइड ऑफ क्यूब द स्क्वायर. सिक्स मल्टीप्लाइड विद साइड ऑफ क्यूब स्क्वायर. This is the cuboid. Cuboid and cube we have covered. Next, let us come to cylinder. Cylinder, what kind of structure? Like this. Okay. So this is a flat surface, this is a circle, baki just like a drum cylinder. Okay. So cylinder कौन कौन detail देखिए. Let's say this is the radius of the base, radius ADB radius of the base and height भी देखिए height of the cylinder. This is radius of base. This is height of cylinder. Okay, so first is your volume. Volume of cylinder is pi r square into h. Pi r square h or into you can just do pi r square h. है ना. or you can say area of base multiplied with the height. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ pi r square multiply with h लिखଥିଲି. Okay, surface area. Surface area, there are two kinds of surface area. ये जो lateral portion अच्छी cylinder, this is a curved surface area or lateral surface area, and the top and bottom, this is flat surface area. So you can break it curved surface area plus flat surface area. CSA is curved surface area or lateral surface area, or lateral surface area, and your FSA is flat surface area. जो एरिया जो सरफेस टा फ्लैट अछि, तो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया रो फार्मूला होची 2 पाई r h, and flat surface area रो फार्मूला कौन? These are two different circles, so 2 pi r square. This is all about cylinder. Next, after cylinder, next is your cone. What kind of structure figure is cone? Cone is something like this. So here also radius is there, your height is there, and ये जो slant, this is called slant height. Okay, ताको normally हमें L लिखो. H is your height of cone, R is your radius of cone, radius of base, and L is slant height. Slant height and radius of relation कौन? If you see, suppose I name it A, B, C, and this is D. ADC कौन? What is right angle triangle होची? Okay, this is right angle triangle. So you can Pythagoras theorem if you apply, you can say that h square plus r square equal to L square. So this is the relation between your height, your radius, radius of the base, and the slant height of the cone. Next, come to volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and surface area, total surface area, total surface area. Total surface area कौन है? Same thing जिनके में सिलेंडर कर ले, curved surface area or the lateral surface area plus the flat surface area. Curved surface area रो formula होची pi r l, slant height multiply होची pi r l, and flat surface area होची, it's a circle, just the base गोटे just flat circle होची, so that is pi r square. This is all about cone. Next is your sphere. Sphere is what? It's a just like a ball. Okay, playing ball जो ball play करते, that is a sphere. Sphere में कौन था? गोटे only था radius. So area, surface area. एक तो सब curved surface area, no flat surface. Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. है ना? Sphere अच्छी, there is also called hemisphere also, you should know. Hemisphere कौन होगा? Hemisphere होची half of a sphere like this. Suppose you make it half, it is the cut करची, है ना? This person is the flat surface of the cube. This is flat. Okay. Just got a sphere को I have just cut it half. ओके पूरा इक्वली हाफ करछि तो आर भी रेडियस कौन रेडियस ऑफ बेस इज आर ओके सो स्फीयर वॉल्यूम कौन वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर वॉल्यूम ऑफ टोटल स्फीयर फ्लैट 4/3 pi r cube तार हाफ हो सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 2/3 pi r cube नाउ सरफेस एरिया एटे कौन सरफेस एरिया दीटा सरफेस अछि गोटे होची कर्व सरफेस एरिया आ गोटे होची फ्लैट सरफेस एरिया सो टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज कर्व सरफेस एरिया प्लस फ्लैट सरफेस एरिया कर्व सरफेस एरिया इज टोटल ये सरफेस एरिया स्फीयर कौन थिला 4 pi r square तो तार हाफ हो जिवो दिस विल बी 2 pi r square and flat surface area is equal to just for the circle pi r square so it total becomes 3 pi r square this is the total surface area for a hemisphere sphere hemisphere we have done next किछि किछि फिगर अछि let us see like your pyramid what is pyramid that you should know pyramid can be anything base ta kichi bhi pare let's say triangular pyramid or rectangular pyramid let's say rectangular pyramid माने कौन तमर बेस टा गोटे रेक्टेंगल थिबो बट ऑल द एजेस मीट एट वन पॉइंट सॉरी all the edges okay it is sorry okay all the edges meet at one point like this is called a pyramid सब बेस टा किछि नहीं पारे बेस है कि सेटा गोटे पॉइंट रे मीट कर दैट इज कॉल्ड पिरामिड तो बेस टा है रेक्टेंगल बट अदर साइड्स इज ए ट्रायंगल ओके slanted triangle so this is called rectangle since the pyramid can be anything triangular pyramid means base will be triangle and pyramid amar cone ta cone is also circular pyramid cone is a circular pyramid बेस टा कौन सर्कल था एंड दे मीट एट वन पॉइंट सो दैट इज कोन इज आल्सो सर्कुलर पिरामिड ठीक है तो पिरामिड रो लेट्स से स्लैंट सरफेस एरिया स्लैंट सरफेस माने साइड गुटा सब बेस तो तुम जानि छ रेक्टेंगल थिले रेक्टेंगल बाहर कर दो स्लैंट सरफेस एरिया इज व्हाट हाफ इनटू perimeter of base multiplied with slant height है ना perimeter of base इटा का जो slant height is this one this is slant height similarly volume का वो 1/3 multiplied with area of base multiplied with height only this much you know we will see our questions kon asle how to deal with that pyramid and circle okay next let us show almost most of the formulas we have covered right now we will solve few questions these are very easy questions but every questions we will do this is a part 1 of mensuration part 2 of mensuration we will do in next class so we will get some more set of questions okay area of a rectangle is 24 centimeter square and one of its side measures 6 centimeter find the length of the other side okay first area of what is rectangle this is AB is given 24 one of the side is oh it's very easy okay so B is given 6 so A is 24/6 that is 4 so this is very easy 4 centimeter easy बहुत easy question अछि next Diagonal of a square is 2.5 centimeter. Find its area. Yes. This is somewhat bit calculation required. So square hella square or diagonal is both the diagonals of the square are equal. Okay. So diagonal is 2.5 or I can say pi by 2. Area of square of theta formula we discuss that is side square and one is half into diagonal square. So area you can just write area equal to half into diagonal square. So this is half multiplied with pi by 2 square. Let us see 25 by 8. So it will be 3.125 centimeter. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Hope it is clear. So directly diagonal also we can find the area of square. Next, let's see. Find perimeter of an equilateral triangle with area equal to 4. Okay. Equilateral triangle special formulas हमें पढ़ी suppose sides नंबर A है equilateral triangle area कौन है वो √3/4 a square but area से दे दीजिए 4√3. So from there let us find out side कितना है वो. So √3/4 a square equal to 4√3. So it gets cancelled. So a square कितना असला a square equal to 16. So a equal to 4. तो side of equilateral triangle तुमको मिलेगा. तापर सी कोची perimeter. Perimeter कौन? Perimeter is 3 times of other side 3a. So this is 3 into 4, that is 12. So answer is this option C. Okay. ठीक है. Next question. Find the area of circle if its area is equal to its circumference. एरिया बाहर करिवो किंतु किछ देही कोही कम ये सम रिलेशन देन गिवन. ओके, एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल बाहर करिवार अछि. अच्छा, एरिया इज इक्वल टू इट्स सर्कमफरेंस. एरिया ऑफ सर्कल कोन? एरिया इज पाई आर स्क्वायर. सर्कमफरेंस इज 2 pi r. So let us equate pi r square equal to 2 pi r. So cancel कौन होची? pi gets cancel, r गोटे cancel होची. So you can get r equal to 2. See, radius तमर 2 बाहर गला. Then area बाहर कर परिबो. So area is pi into 2 square equal to 4 pi. 4 pi units is the answer. अच्छा, if some student आपको देखियो किसी डाटा देनी, देखो डाटा insufficient भी गोटे ऑप्शन अछि. So don't be in hurry. First करके देखो what are the figures, what are the values you are getting, then you put that option. Any question data insufficient, none of this, then you have to be extra careful. Okay, because they will always try to trick you. Question number 5. Find the area of rhombus. Rhombus, it is spelling टिके भूल अछि. Rhombus with sides of length 13 centimeter and one diagonal is 20. तो rhombus रा side देछि 13, one diagonal. कहीं की one diagonal कहला कहीं की rhombus रा diagonal दीटा जरा length different थाए. May not be same. Same हेले तमर सेटा square हेजबो. Okay, so let us write. First draw करो. This is a rhombus and these are the diagonals A, B, C and D. Okay. तापर कौन पहले एरिया बचा. अच्छा, तो मेरा साइड देला 13, तो एटा को 13 नहीं जाओ. rhombus रा प्रॉपर्टी कौन? First, what is a rhombus property? सेटा होछि जानिया दरकार. Rhombus you can note down. rhombus property कोन होची साइड तो सेम समस्त को जणा diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. यार मीनिंग कोन डायगोनल दिटा बाइसेक्ट करूथिबे परस्पर को एंड आल्सो परपेंडिकुलर थिले तो दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर rhombus एटा परपेंडिकुलर थिबो हला आ बाइसेक्ट करथबो से कहू वन ऑफ द डायगोनल इज 24 वन ऑफ द डायगोनल आई कैन अज्यूम एनीथिंग लेट्स से BD इक्वल टू 24 जदि BD 24 होला तो OD केते हबो OD is BD divided by 2 काहे कि जब बाइसेक्ट करछन हमरो प्रॉपर्टी अछि rhombus रो OD equal to BD by 2 so आको मन एजीबी 24 divided by 2 that is 12 so एटा तमरा आसी गेला 12 okay and OB also 12 काहे कि बाइसेक्ट करछि okay now कोन करबो तब in triangle AOD is what kind of triangle this is a right angle triangle रो कोन हो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम we can apply AO square plus OD square equal to AD square. Pythagoras theorem apply करके by putting values you can get the value of AO. So AO square equal to AD square कितना थिला 13 square OD square थिला 12 square. So this is 25. So AO equals to 5. तो AO तुम्हारा आसी गेला 5. Okay, so another diagonal रो half आसी गेला 5 हैला जदि half 5 हैला another half also 5 केनो diagonal रो property होचे they bisect each other at 90 degree that's all in rhombus okay now rhombus you see two diagonals you have the figure AC केते आसला AC is 5 plus 5 that is 10 and BD already देइथिला 12 plus 12 that is 24 rhombus रो area रो फॉर्मूला कोन area of rhombus half into d1 multiplied with d2 d1 d2 are the two diagonals so it is half multiplied with 10 multiplied with 24 so this is 120 right answer for this question is 120 square centimeter area of a rhombus half into d1 into d2 so this is a quite interesting question first we found the other diagonal first the property is important diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree for rhombus सेति पई हमें Pythagoras formula use करके we could find the half of other diagonal तो हम पक दीरा diagonal length आसरा then हम directly formula we can put okay so this part is over next let us move to other question find the circumference of a circle if 3 cm long arc of the circle subtends 60 degree ये तो सेक्टर हम डिस्कस करते से विषय क्वेश्चन अछि so এটা একটি क्वेश्चन सपोज এটা হচ্ছে सर्कल दिस इज अ सेंटर यार गोटे आर्क अछि এই जो आर्क अछि यार लेंथ देछि 3 सेंटीमीटर लेट्स से रेडियस इज r but the arc subtend angle 60 degree so this is 60 degree if that is the case then तमरो circumference बाहर करे circumference बाहर करे तो मते कोन दरकार फर्स्ट दरकार मते रेडियस अच्छा लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क फॉर्मूला कौन थिला लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क is theta by 360 into 2 pi r so this is actually given this is equal to 3 theta भी दे दीची so theta केते देछि theta देछि 60 degree 60 divided by 360 into 2 pi r equal to 3 now see कौन कट होछि 66 2 3 okay so r equal to 9 by pi तुम रेडियस आसी गेला 9 by pi okay no need to calculate pi सब बळे तुमरो सर्कल क्वेश्चन से pi को pi ही रखो जहां कैलकुलेशन रिक्वायरमेंट अछि यू कैन डू टुवर्ड्स द एंड एथरे करी कि लाभ नै खाली तमे टाइम वेस्ट करबो Now what they are asking, the perimeter, circumference. Circumference means perimeter only. So circumference is 2 pi r. So this is 2 into pi multiplied with r is 9 by b. You see, pi pi cancel होगा, किसी हमको calculation करे दरकार नथला previous step रे. 2 into 9 is 18 centimeter. So right answer is option C. Okay, please go through this question. So this is other questions related to your area of sector. Length of the arc. So sector हम जो पढ़ी थी तारो जो arc अछि तारो length देछि, the formula पकेगा में radius first बाहर कले circle रो, then you can put 2 pi r is the circumference. Okay, next question. A sphere of radius 7 inches is divided into two pieces with volume in the ratio 4:3. Find the volume of the smaller. Okay, इथे फर्स्ट होची वॉल्यूम टोटल को रेशियो रे डिवाइड करा गला 4:3. तार रेडियस देछि 7. ओके, फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्मॉलर. तो रेशियो प्रोपोर्शनल कांसेप्ट अछि आ मेंसुरेशन रो जो फार्मूला कांसेप्ट अछि. स्फीयर रो वॉल्यूम को फर्स्ट देखो. वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर is 4/3 pi r cube. So this is becomes 4/3 pi. You can put 22/7 कारण तो रेडियस 7 अछि. 7 cube देखो कौन कैंसिल होची, gets cancel. So it is something 4 into 22 into 7/3. Again I am saying calculation एठी करबा दरकार नहीं. You can do the calculation at the end, otherwise हमें time waste करिवो. Now see, एटा होची total volume. Volume को हमें 2 पार्ट रे डिवाइड करछि. गोटे होची 4 पार्ट आ होची 3 पार्ट. सी को जे एटा 3 पार्ट रो वैल्यू केते हबो, एटा केते हबो 3 divided by the total part 4 plus 3 into the volume. So this is 3/7 into volume. So our volume केता आसिला, you can put 3/7 into volume एटा थिला 4 into 22 into 7/3. देखो सब कैंसिल हो जाय. कैलकुलेशन आगुर करथिले तुमको बहुत टाइम लागि थांदा. सो इट इज 88 इंच क्यूब. इंच अछि तो इंच क्यूब होबा आंसर. ओके, अच्छा 88 it is not there. I think some answer problem is there. Just check. Let me check our calculation. किसी भूल होची कि नहीं. A sphere of radius divided into two pieces with volumes in the ratio 4:3. Find the volume of the smaller. 3/7 into volume. 3/7 into 4 into 22. No, our calculation is right. So maybe it is wrong. 88. So right answer is 88 pi inch square. Volume of the sphere divided in two ratios 4:3. Okay, this question 7. Next, let us find the largest area of a rectangle with perimeter of 100 centimeter. अच्छा, this is an interesting question. Largest area पचरची, perimeter तमर देची 100 can cover. अच्छा, it is three concepts. One first concept is the area of a rectangle, very easy, length into breadth, and at the same time maximum value of a sum. If product is constant, then what is the maximum value of a sum? Three concept हमें discuss करियो. Okay, first let us see. This is L, this is B. So LB is given 100. अच्छा sorry, LB no, it area नहीं, देइछि तमरो I missed out. Perimeter देइछि, correct. Okay, wait. Twice of L plus B, तार perimeter होची, this is given 100. So L plus B will be 100 divided by 2, that is 50. Now see what is the maximum value of area? Area means LB केते हबो? So गोटे concept मन रख, जदि side by I am explaining, जदि दीटा variable रो summation constant, maximum of AB केते हबो? When A and B are closer. माने तुम्हारा L plus B 50 है, तो L and B केते क्लोज है परिमो? L को मुझे 25 ने भी B को 25 देगा क्लोज, same as it is. दो लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ सेम हेले को हमरो स्क्वायर है जो, बट क्वेश्चन इज मैक्सिमाइज करबार अछि मते, तो रेक्टेंगल विल बिकम स्क्वायर. सो तमरो फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज देछि तमरो A plus B equal to 10, मैक्सिमम ऑफ AB केते हबो? तमे देखो जदि A को मो 1 नउछि, B टा 9, 1 into 9 9 होछि, A को 2 नेली, B टा होछि 8, 2 and 8 को 16. सो जेते क्लोजर A and B हे जाउछि तार प्रोडक्ट मैक्सिमाइज होछि. तो मु कोन मैक्सिमाइज पूरा मैक्सिमाइज करे पे कोन करबी? A equal to B equal to 5 नेबी. सो A plus B 10 होछि, सो B equal to 5 into 5 is 25. So this is the concept you have to use. That is sum देछि प्रोडक्ट मैक्सिमाइज करे पे दीटा नंबर रो you have to make it closer. तो एडे L plus B देछि, तो क्लोजर कले कोन हबो? L equal to B equal to 50 by 2, that is 25. So maximum value of LB केते हबो? 25 multiplied with 25, this will give you 625. So या to maximum area केबे हे परिबनी. So right answer is 625. And you note it that maximum केते होछि जेतरा length equal to breadth, that means your rectangle becomes a square. So this is the concept of maximizing something. Sum is given, then product को maximize करे वाले these two variables has to be as much closer as possible. Next, question number 9. A cuboid with length 5 inches and volume 80 cubic inches has to be constructed. Okay, length khal deich with height deich, sorry, height deich 5 आउ तार volume deich 80. ताको construct करिया पड़िबो. Find the length and breadth required to get the least lateral surface area. Okay, एटा भी सिमिलर क्वेश्चन मैक्सिमाइज में. तो तमरो क्यूबॉइड टा एमती अछि, okay. So length देइनी, breadth देइनी, height is 5 inches, height देइछि 5. So तुमरो वॉल्यूम कोन LBH, वॉल्यूम देखो, volume of cuboid is LBH. This is given 80, but LH दे दीजिए तुम्हारा 5. तो LB into 5 equal to 80. So LB equal to 16. Lateral surface area कौन होगा? Lateral surface area means एक तो साइड अच्छी. Lateral surface area गोटे होची twice of BH plus माने ए surface आउ तार opposite surface plus front surface and तार back surface. So that is LH. So this is twice of H into L plus B. Okay. Now you see आपको मतलब maximize करिया पड़िबो. मैक्सिमाइज करे माने ये जो 2h मल्टीप्लाइड विथ l प्लस b दैट नीड टू बी मैक्सिमाइज्ड. अच्छा 2 का तो कांस्टेंट ताको मैक्सिमाइज केते करी 2 ही करी. हाइट तो ऑलरेडी दे हैव गिवन 5 ताको मैक्सिमाइज केते करी 5 होबो. ओनली थिंग यू कैन मैक्सिमाइज इज l प्लस b. नाउ द सेम कांसेप्ट lb is given 16. मैक्सिमम ऑफ l प्लस b केते होबो. Then next a cuboid with height 5 inches but volume 80 cubic inches has to be constructed. Find the length and breadth required to get the least least surface area. अच्छा okay এটা উল্টা হচ্ছে. তোমার যদি a plus b দেইथिबो maximum of ab কোন হবে when a and b are closer है ना. तार उल्टा হচ্ছে কোন যদি ab দেইथिबो तार opposite minimum of a plus b when a and b are closer. Okay এটা মিনিমাম সেটাই আই ওয়াজ সারপ্রাইজ এটা মিনিমাম ম্যাক্সিমাম কিন্তু পচারছে বাট ইট হ্যাজ টু মিনিমাম এটা রিয়েল পেজ এটা হোয়াট ইজ দ্যাট ফাইন্ড দ্য লেন্থ এন্ড ব্রেডথ অফ দ্য গেট দ্য লিস্ট সারফেস এরিয়া. यस सो आपको लिस्ट करिया पड़ो नॉट मैक्सिमाइज आपको लिस्ट केमती करबो 2 तो किछ चेंज करबो हाइट भी किछ चेंज l plus b has to be list. So product देछि list value of summation also same concept l and b has to be closer. So l equal to b equal to 16 by 2 that is not 16 but it will be 16 lb equal नले कोन हमस square root of 16. जदि l equal to b नउची wait जदि मो l equal to b नउची l equal to b नले lb equal to 16 तो l square equal to 16 so l equal to 4 so l equal to b equal to 4 आसलो. एटा होची मिनिमम वैल्यू lb 4 नले तमर मिनिमम ऑफ l plus b. दिस इज मिनिमम. ओके ए कांसेप्ट में आउट क्लियर करी. फर्स्ट लेट अस सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन सो कहीं के कंफ्यूज हो जाइथबो. सो ट्वाइस h देइथला तमरो हाइट के देथला 5 and l हला 4 this is 4 this is 10 into 8 that is 80. oh से पचानी only l and b रो वैल्यू पचाछ तो l and b रो वैल्यू 4 4 so right answer is 4 and 4 4 4 okay l and b रो वैल्यू पचाछ तो राइट आंसर इज 4 and 4. फर्स्ट तो एक्सप्लेन करछि तापर से तो मैक्सिमम मिनिमम कांसेप्ट अगेन एक्सप्लेन करी. फर्स्ट हमें कोन करले वॉल्यूम बाहर करले वॉल्यूम इज lb into h that is 80 वॉल्यूम हला into 5 सेतु हमें lb बाहर करले that is 16 lb 16 होची लेटरल सरफेस एरिया मींस ये जो साइड सरफेस एरिया प्लस द फ्रंट एंड द बैक साइड सेतु में twice of bh plus lh twice of h into l plus b ताको मिनिमाइज करिया पहले 2 को मैं किछ करबे कांस्टेंट h is also given तो l plus b को मिनिमाइज करिया पड़िबो. l plus b मिनिमम केते होबो lb जदी 16 देछि l plus b को मिनिमाइज करबे पहले l equal to b equal to हेबो पड़िबो. सो l ता सेटलो भी कैलकुलेट करियो we could find l square equal to 16 so l equal to b equal to 4 that is the answer. सरफेस एरिया बाहर करबो से पचाली just we have found. okay now let me clarify that maximum minimum thing so that confuse hobani. a plus b equal to constant देछि maximum of ab is when a and b are closer. let's say good example लेछि a plus b equal to 10 देछि maximum of AB will be when A equal to B equal to 5. So a maximum of AB will be 5 into 5 that is 25. This is one concept. Now get the opposite. What is that? AB equal to constant H. Minimum of A plus B is when A and B are closer. Example number, let's say AB equal to 36 देछि, ठीक है. So minimum of A plus B हमको बाहर करने को देछि. This will happen when A and B are closed. So I can take A equal to B. So AB equal to 16 देछि, implies that A multiplied with A equal to 16, so it will A equal to 4. A square 16 equal to 4. So minimum of A plus B केते होगा? Minimum A plus B will be 4 plus 4, that is 8. Understood? Both the thing, both the scenario I have given. Okay? Hope it is clear to you right now. Okay, so question 9 we have discussed. Let us move to next question 10 कौन देखिएगा. A parachute needs to be designed to form a perfect arc with the parachutist holding the utmost ropes each 10 feet long. ठीक है, बुझिया दरकार क्वेश्चन केमती फिगर, then it begins. Connecting the ends of the chute with a comfortable angle of 60 degree between them. Find the length of the arc shape. Okay, so किछि नहीं, parachute टा एमती अछि, एटा को जे धरिबो जे कैच करे ताको रोप एमती ऐड हेछि. ओके, this is the figure of which नहीं. Okay, so देछि कोन रोप रो लेंथ देछि 10. Actually it will be a circle kind of thing. अच्छा, parachute circle होगा कि नहीं? Let me see. A parachute needs to be designed to form a perfect arc with the parachutist holding the utmost ropes each 10 feet long, connecting the ends of the chute between them. Find the length of the arc shape like this. So it's just a circle like this. So this is 10, this is 10. So that means it is a kind of sector. Sector means it is a part of circle हेतु है ना. तो ए एंगल दे दी तमर केते 60 डिग्री, एंड दे आर आस्किंग ए जो आर्क रो लेंथ केते. Okay, so length of arc formula कौन थिला? You can put length of arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. R कौन? एक केस r is 10, so that is 60 by 360 into 2 into pi into 10. Let's see, 63 हबो, so that is 20 by 3 pi, and everything is given in feet, so answer is in feet only. 20 by 3 pi. Right answer is C. So only question you need to understand question जहाँ भी है तुमको एक figure draw करे अपने. Question में बहुत किसी नहीं, but just simple figure we could draw. Figure draw कर लगे then it becomes very easy. Okay. So anyway, so this much we can discuss for today. We will continue this concept in the next class also, because mensuration, that is why I have named mensuration 1 and mensuration 2. First class रे हमें किसी formula देखले and some questions we have discussed. Second class रे again we will solve few more questions, more tougher questions on this chapter. So thank you for attending the session. Thank you very much.